In the previous lessons, we've talked about trading, we've talked about a little about investing, and in this lesson, we're going to be talking about the differences. So, guys, let's get started. Trading is short term in nature. So, as traders, we are looking to make profit short term, unlike the investors that are looking at several years to make money on their investments. So, when it comes to trading, what is needed is technical analysis. That's what we use basically. 95% of the traders use technical analysis to analyze, to check when they are going to enter the market, to know when they are going to leave the market, to know where they are going to take profit, and to know where they are going to take losses. On the other hand, investors use fundamental analysis. That's basically checking the future of the company, the CEO of the company, things like that. So when it comes to trading, it is 95% skill based. You need skill in trading. You need to learn the skill. You need to follow the rules. That's how trading is. That's how you can succeed in trading. But for an investor, it's like an art. It's not about skill. You want to be able to do a creative thinking. You want to foresee the future of where a particular company is going. You want to know maybe a policy might affect the core values of a company later on in future. Things like that. That's what investors worry about. And when it comes to trading, so we focus basically on price and volume, nothing else. Price and volume. That's what we analyze. That's why we always go to the past to check the price to determine the price of a company in the future. So for investing, the focus on value. So what is value? It's basically what the company is worth to you, personally to you. So let's say you're buying Amazon for $100 each stock, and you feel it's going to get to 120 based on the fact that maybe coronavirus might extend a couple of more months. Then thinking about it, you think Amazon, they do delivery services, they do cloud services. So everything that we're going to be needing during this lockdown, it is what Amazon is providing. So you think is a good company to buy now. So that's how an investor value a company. That's how an investor do analysis for a company. Those are the major differences between trading and investing. This is a very short lesson. You guys should take a rest, and we'll see you in the next lesson.